sound off. Okay, I've got 2 minutes to make this baby because I'm using a video editor. But I'm sure it won't take much more than what I gotta do. So let me get on with the show. Okay? Commando. Let's see. Let's see how I can get it. Right there. On Blu-ray. So let me open this up. And you have Arnold, of course. Which way am I going here? Which way am I going? Okay. Trying to do this. Completely the wrong way. Okay. Commando. I'm sure a lot of people have this in their collection. This is a good one too. This is about him being in retirement, and he has to come out of retirement because someone takes his daughter hostage, and so his hand is forced into going back into doing this, doing his kind of like, like secret agent or special missions for the government and whatnot. So, but I'm going to have to cut this short, and it's just, I'm going to have to say goodbye.